everyone, it's Allybug.
And Pawpaw Sammy.
And today we're going to be walking around with Pawpaw Sammy as he shows us the ins and outs of his legendary potting soil mixture. So I hope y'all learned something today.
I come here. Look, I just fed them yesterday, so they in heaven.
What is this on top? What kind of...
That is, you say it? It's powdered wheat.
Okay.
Mixed with a little corn. Also, don't laugh. Don't laugh.
Okay, I'll try. Okay.
Very small amounts of this mixed with that. And what I'll do is,
That's smart.
the worms just are content to eat. I'll come in here once in a while, and I'll run it through, and well, that's their food, their bedding. Now here's how my worm poop looks. Actually, it's been run through the filter. Look at that.
That's just pure worm castings, huh?
That's pure worm castings.
That's beautiful.
There's no odor. It's clean.
Wow. Yeah, it just smells like dirt.
It is. And we shipped some of this to Indiana the other day. And we are in Louisiana.
Wow. All the way across the country.
All the way across the country. The guy was tickled to death to get it. I hadn't made any potting soil lately. That is peat moss.
Oh,
Completely dry, the peat moss. So I'll mix the worm poop with the peat moss.
So the worm gives nutrients, microbes, microorganisms, and the peat moss helps with moisture, huh?
Yeah. And then I'll come here to my Craftsman rake.
Okay.
Yes, look. See that?
Oh, it's all nice and dry.
See how dry it is? I'll let it sit there for maybe a week or 10 days until I'm sure it's done went through the heat. It's not hot anymore. And I'll mix that with the poop, the peat moss,
Okay.
and there's a bag of sand.
Okay, and the sand helps with, what do we say, like kind of helping with a little bit of drainage and keep the dirt from clumping?
Really? I don't know. I truthfully don't know what it does. But being from South Mississippi, where you grow a lot of watermelons, a lot of sand, I've been around
So you
sand
just
all my
like
life.
it. Everyone has their own preference.
You mix that up, and then you do your plants. But just plant them. And believe me, it works.
Okay. So is this the right soil you would use for potting plants then? Like potting plants?
Oh yeah, potting plants, or you put it, you mix it with your garden. It doesn't,
Would you use that for starting seeds?
Huh?
Would you use that for starting seeds?
Starting seeds? Oh yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that those worm castings.
Worm poop absorbs a lot of water. So you mix a little bit of that with the grass and mix it all up real good and be real cautious. Soak your plants good. About every third, fourth day you water them.
Okay.
Don't water them every day, you'll kill them.
Okay.
Because that holds the moisture.
So with that soil mixture that you just described.
Oh yeah. See how damp it is?
You just watered that today though, didn't you?
Yeah. I put water in here. I always water from the bottom up.
Okay.
I put water in here and let that sit in it. I actually should have drained it yesterday. Yesterday evening, I put the water in it. Supposed to let it sit like 20, 30 minutes, and I forgot it overnight. But
So now what do you do? If you forgot it overnight, are you just going to go a little bit longer before you water
oh
it
yeah,
again?
and I always do the finger test. That's wet. Yeah, no worry.
Yeah, that is wet.
Yeah.
But this is that same soil mixture, and you said you planted these about 2 or 3 days ago?
Yeah. It's nice to be back, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Thank y'all. Please like and subscribe.